I don't know if you guys can see. I pour out a lot. This body panel is inside before I put out, but I don't know if you guys can see that everything is mersal, and I'm gonna put the new ones. I put out a lot. I don't know if you guys can see and remember before. This everything's inside. It's a big mess here, but now I put out. Everything start coming better. I like to put out before I start cut. This everything inside before I start fix here the lines on the side too. This everything's inside before and I put out. And before I start sand and cut, I like to take the whole parts in my way, the cables, the wires, the seat, everything is in my way. I try to take it out for I don't make a mess or cut something or make something wrong. Yes, I try to clean everything my way before I start cut and sand. I take the raw pieces out and put it in the other place where don't make damages and make this space for me and make more easy for I can work. And now I can start cut.
Discover the British charm and island vibes in Bermuda with Celebrity Cruises. Celebrity has the best ships, the best restaurants, and the best rooms, which is why we were voted best premium cruise line 10 years in a row. For a limited time, save up to $300 per person on Bermuda sailings and get one free perk like free packages. Plus, additional guests save 50% off their cruise fares. Visit celebrity.com, call
Time to put the seam sealer. I prepare to put the seam sealer. Once the body's good.